Welcome everyone. Welcome to Data Analysis Scholarship course. Today we are going to be looking at automating data entry automation. We are live once again for tonight's section. Kindly let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Welcome to Data Analysis Scholarship Program. Tonight we will be looking at data entry automation. Tonight we will be looking at data entry automation. My name is Franklin. Welcome to tonight's section. We are going to be going through how we can automate data entry and ensure that automated entry of data is highly automated without having to code, without having to do any coding or whatsoever. For tonight, once again, we are welcome. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. That will be much appreciated. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. Welcome to Data Analysis course. Tonight we will be looking at data entry automation. My name is Franklin. This program, this training is powered by Solomon Institute of Tech. Tonight we will be walking us through. Welcome. If you are with me, let me know if you can hear me, if you can see my screen. That much appreciated. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, let me know. Drop in the chat. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, drop that in the chat box and let me know. Also, go to the scholarship group, tag everyone, let them know we are live. Kindly go to the scholarship group, tag everyone, let everyone know we are live. Let everyone know we are live. We are about to begin tonight's section. Tonight is data entry automation. Automate data entry. We are going to be looking at how we can do that with ease. Okay, someone said my voice is kind of low. Okay. Confirm if my voice is okay now. Confirm if it's okay. Let's confirm if my voice is okay and if you can hear me loud and clear. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. Let me know. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me know. Welcome, Amina. Welcome. I will good to have us. Let me know if you can hear me once again. Go to the scholarship group, tag as many as possible. Let them know we are live. Let them know we are live for tonight's section. Let everyone know we are live for tonight's section. It's still low. I need someone else to confirm. I need someone else to confirm based on my voice. It shouldn't be low. that I need to confirm. I need to confirm. Someone else, I need someone else to confirm. All right, I need someone else to confirm as well. I need us to confirm. I need us to confirm. I need us to confirm. How is my voice now? Can someone confirm how is my voice now? I think two persons have said my voice is low. So can someone else confirm again? How is the voice? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? All right. I think we will have to hit the ground running. We will have to hit the ground running. Welcome once again to tonight's section. We are going to hit the ground running. We have given some few minutes to some of us to join. Also, we want to encourage you, if you haven't hit the like button on this section this night, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and hit the like button on this live section this night. Go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the like button. Share this link to anyone you believe we need this knowledge, because we are about to learn one powerful feature in Microsoft Excel as regards to data analysis. Tonight we are looking at we are going to start from the scratch, design data entry form from the scratch, and then automate the entry so that as we click submit, everything will be submitted to our database, and then we have a fresh form for entry tonight. All right, without further ado, let's quickly delve in. Let's quickly delve in, and let's move to our Excel. I'm going to be making use of this Excel sheet. Let me check, my volume is 100%. Okay, now I have gotten some data. What we will be looking at is employee details. Let's say you are working as a HR. Let's say you are working as a HR and you need to get the employees' details. Once they get onboarded, they have to put in their details. And I took time to make some research and get a kind of comprehensive details of employees. Get some kind of comprehensive details of for employees. Here, employee ID, we have the national ID, which is NIN, your national identity card, the tax number, if you have company, you have to generate that, the pension PIN, NHF, this is optional if you have. Then we move to personal info, the contact info, we have the job info, we have the payroll info, and then we can now have the leave info. Remember, we have done stuff on these things: annual leave entitlement, leave taking, leave balance. Now we have also talked about the payroll, and then we have some employee details. We have some employee details and so on and so forth. All right, now the first thing to do is to design our form. The first thing we are going to do is to design our form. And to do that, I'm going to walk us through how we can basically design our form. So let me kind of insert another stuff so as to kind of bring this to the center. I need it to be kind of centralized. And also, let's say I insert another one here. All right. Now, having done that, the next thing I will do is I will come over here to bring this close to this. Okay, that's not what I should do. I will have to start from here. Why is the voice very low? So confirm, is the voice okay now? Is the voice okay now? Please, can we confirm? Can we confirm now? Let's confirm now. Let's confirm now, please. I'm waiting for us. Let's confirm now if the voice is okay now. Let's confirm. If the voice is okay, let's confirm, please. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I think like Amina have confirmed that we can hear me now. That's beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to set up my form layout. I'm going to set up my form layout. All right, beautiful. It's loud and clear. That's great. Okay, I'm going to set up my form layout. What I want to do this night is to teach us how you can design your data entry form, whether you are a sales manager and you want your staff to enter the sales details and submit. Click enter, click send, click submit, whatever, and that automatically send the information to a database. So here I'm going to rename this sheet and call it employee form. So I'm going to design this form, which I called employee form. To do that, I have different headings. I have different headings here, and on top I can highlight these two and merge it and call it I can merge it and call it what should I call it now? EF okay. I can call it ABC employee form. Okay. Now, having done that, I can also come here. Let's blue and white. From here to here, I can drag down. Okay, let's see. I can drag down to this point and come to border. Let me select tick but outside border. Now that's the next. We have tick outside border. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything here from 1. I'm going to select everything from 1, come to home here and say this gray color to make it a standard, or I select this and then select A to B, select this as well, come over to this place, Control Shift forward arrow, then make this as well. That's on that. Let's come back. All right, and then we come down from this point, hold Control, hold Shift, down arrow, and select this one as well. So what we are doing is to give our form a kind of shape so that when someone look at it, it will be a standalone form. Then what I can do here, I can insert, Control Z, let me insert something to separate this from this. So I will come here and then say no field. So I have this separated from this. All right. I think let me come to view, check if it has. Okay, I need to unfreeze. All right. Now I have this to be ABC form. Let me go to home, increase the font size, bold it. All right. Now I have this. The next thing I'm going to do is to come to the headings, come to home here. Let's say I select this and then make it okay. This is okay by me, and then come over to this and okay, let me do the same. Come to format painter, double click, come to this, select it, come to this, select it, come to this, select, come to this, select, and finally select this. So that is formatting instead of wasting my time, and then I press escape button. Now, what I'm doing is that I'm designing my form. I will increase the quality of your video. Increase the quality of your video. I believe that's what the challenge is. Increase the quality of your video. All right. Now, here, I can select everything here. Go over to okay, select everything here, go over to this place, select this, come to outline border. This is the border. Come to the color. I'm going to make it white, and then select this and also select this, and then hit OK. We have the white border like this. So I'm going to highlight this, double click here, and repeat it here, and repeat it here as well. Okay, that shouldn't be. Control Z. Okay, let me first make this white, and it's bold already. All right, I'm going to do the same. Let me do this. All right, come over to this place, come over to this place, come over to this place, and then over to this place as well, and hit escape. Now, once I select this, I will go to Format Painter. Let me double click. Let me double click this. I will click on this as well, click on this as well, so as not to delay, and then press escape. What I will do is to select the 3 because I have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. Double click here, then click on this to apply all formatting to that, and press the escape key. And press I'm not zooming into this one because if I zoom in, I'm designing a form. Okay, I think there are other things I'm going to do as well, but let me do this. This is okay for now. All right, now having done this, we have employee ID, we have this. We are going to apply conditional formatting. Now, what is that? I will highlight this, hold Control, highlight this, hold Control, highlight this, hold Control, highlight this, hold Control, highlight this as well, hold Control, highlight this. Now, once I highlight them, I will go to conditional formatting. Now, under conditional formatting, I'm going to go to new rules. Now, under new rules, I'm going to select, I think is this one. Yes, I'm going to select that when the cell is blank, I click on this. What do I need as formatting? I will come to format here, come to fill. I will come to fill. Now, under fill, I will come over to select this gray color here. If it's blank, I need it to show in gray color. So I select this, then come to border. What border color do I need? Let's say I need the border color to be black, visible, the outline border color to be black. I can select this and then select this as well. That's my choice, depending on what we want. Your choice as well, you say okay. Now this is how it will show, and then I will say okay. Once you can see what we have here, we can see that it has the black outline. The black outline. The same way we have this, we are going to do the same. Hold Control, select this, hold Control, select this, hold Control, select this one. Okay, I did not even select the net pay. Okay, let me select this now. Then hold Control, select this, hold Control, select this, and then this one. So once that is done, I will also go to conditional formatting, come to new rules, and then select this, come to cell value, and I will select no blanks. When the cell is not blank, what do I want? I will come over to this place, go to formatting. We have done conditional formatting in this course. So when the cell is not blank, I will need this. Let me select this color. Okay, no. This is, let's say when it's not blank, let me select white and apply it to this and also apply it to this. Then go to fill. Under fill, when the cell is not blank, let me select this, fill, and then let's go to the font, and we can make the font bold. The font color, what color can we give it now? Let's say we give it black. Let's say we give it black. Your choice anyway. Your choice depending on how you want your font to look like. Depending on how you want your font to look like. And then we say OK. And we say OK. Now we have conditionally formatted our form. We have conditionally formatted our form. What that simply means is that if I type employee ID, let's say 1, 2, 3 here, and move down, you see that the color changes to this. It becomes this color. If I type the national ID number, for example, this, and move down, it changes. So our conditional formatting makes it very easy for us to know the ones we have entered and the ones we haven't entered. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert another stuff here, and then I'm going to remove everything here. I'm going to come to this and say no outline border, no border, and then what else? Come over to this place, the color. Let me select this, and this one as well, and say OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I want to remove this, and then come over to this place and say no border as well. Okay, I think, okay. Come to conditional formatting. I can now clear rules from selected. Beautiful. That's what I need. So once that is done, what I will do is I will reduce it to this form. I will reduce this place to this form. Now, remember what we did the other time. I'm going to apply the if function. I'm going to say equals if, double click. If this equals empty, comma, return empty. If not, return P, capital P, then close the bracket. What are we saying here? We are saying if this place is empty, return empty for me. If not, return P. That's what we are saying. And then we hit enter. So once that is done, I will drag this down. And then the next thing I'm going to do is, if that is done, once I drag it down here, or let me drag it down to other ones, once it's empty. Beautiful. So once that is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the font style and come here and say windings. Windings 2. That's what we will use. Windings 2. We assign the font style to it. So the same thing we are going to do to this one. We are going to bring this one closer like this, and then apply the same formula. Let's copy this, Control C, and then let's paste it here, Control let's say Control Z. Let's copy this, Control C, and then escape, come to this and press Control V. Now we are going to, when you double click here, is giving us this, but we need it to be this one. So what we will do, we change E to I, so to be this, and then hit enter. Then we can drag down to calculate orders. Beautiful. Now here also we will change the font style to windings. We change the font style to windings 2. So once that is done, we have gotten this. Now let's take, for example, I put the ID 123 like this and hit enter. You see here that automatically it marks it good. So what that entails is that we can have stuff like this, and then come to the color, we can make it this color blue, for example, so that we can bold it as well, and then do the same to this, so that when we enter any stuff, it will be marked good. Bold it and make it this color. So once we enter department here, let's say sales, for example, and move down, we see that already automated, already showing us a stuff that we want to have. All right, having established that, having formatted this stuff in a way we want, now let me zoom in a bit. If I go out, you see it in this form. Now you see your form like this. If I zoom out, or yes, I think if I zoom out at the zoom in, you see the form in stuff like this. So let me zoom in a bit more, and we're on 15. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to, let me reduce this. Let me bring it closer. Let me bring it closer. And the next we are going to do is to disable our grid lines. Let's come to, I think it's on view, and disable the grid lines. Come here, disable the grid lines. We have the grid lines disabled. Okay, now we are getting there. We have our form like this. Depending on your choice, you can lay your form out in any format. Your choice, depending on your choice. Okay, now having established that, the next we are going to do is to begin to apply some validations. Under marital status, we can click here, go over to data. Under data, we come to data validation. Under data validation, we come here and select list. Here we can type any stuff. We can put single. Let's say we can put single, comma, married, comma, let's say widow, okay, let's say widow slash, then divorced. I don't think that's not necessary for me. that's not necessary for me. So on that aspect, let's say we are working with this 3, I will say okay. So what that is, if I come here, if the person is single, if the person is married, and what have you, that's on that. Then the next is on gender. I will also come to data validation, come to list. Under gender, we have 2 gender, male, comma, female. All right, and then we say okay, that's for this, that's for this. Then we have date of birth. We have date of birth. Under date of birth, we have to go to home and format it as dates. Under date of birth, we format it as short date. Now, in age, we are going to automate it. We are going to automate the age. We are going to automate the age. To automate the age, we use this formula. Remember this formula? I'm even trying to remember it. This dated if, open bracket. So once you open the bracket, you have to the date of birth. You select this, comma. Inside that, you put today. Then once you put today, you put comma, you close it, comma, and then open the quotation, put Y, close it, and then close it, and hit enter. Now that is showing us 25. Now, if I put a date here, let's say I say 8/8/19 /1998, for example, hit enter. Automatically it calculates the person's age. The person's age 7 years. If you check it from 27 years as of today, the person's age is 27 years. So if you check it, that's the age. I mean, let's say we have I've forgotten. Let's have. I've forgotten any other one. Let's say this is the one. I've forgotten any other one. Let's say this is the ones we have. Under department, we have this. Then you do the same to this. You do the same to this. Then under job title, you can put manually or you put validation. We come to lists. Under list, we employment type, we can have full-time, contract, part-time, we can have ad hoc, full-time, part-time, contract, ad hoc. In this, we can have active. Say, okay, so these are 3 stuff. Under this, we have this. Then under the payroll, we can put the bank manually. Here are stuff we can enter manually, the gross salary, the payroll, the allowances, and what have you. Now here we have leave entitlement, annual leave entitlement, leave taking, leave balance. All right. Now we have did some certain stuff. Now I want to use it to teach us something. Now under marital status, I'm going to be bringing a button. I'm going to bring in something like a button. Now, to do that, go to your tab, go to developer tab. If you don't have this developer tab, I think I have shown us how to do that, but let me repeat it. If you don't have this developer tab, right click here, go to customize ribbon. Under customize ribbon, this dialog box will appear. You will see this called developer tab. If you don't have it, it will be like this. It will be like this. It will be like this. So once you get there, you see it and then click on it to be active and you say okay. That's how to put in your developer tab. Please can someone check if we are on? Can someone confirm if we are on now? Please confirm if we are on. Okay, beautiful. Okay. All right. Now we have added some formulas. We have added some formulas here. Also, we have we have okay, state of origin. You can apply state of data validation on the state of origin. Here I'm going to be talking about developer button. Let me repeat it. Right click here, go to customize ribbon, and then you will come over to this place. Normally your own will be like this. If you don't have it, it will be like this. Just click on it to check, and then you say okay. Your developer tab will display here. Now, once your developer tab display, you click on it, come over to insert. Now, under insert, you will see this called option button. You will see this called option button. Now, under option button, you click on it. Let's come to marital status and draw. Now, that's option. So click inside, delete this. Let's say here we have single. So that's our button. You come to the button, right click. Now once you right click, you can also say edit text. Then escape and Control D. You press escape and Control D to duplicate. Now once you do that, we can position it here. And then delete this. And put here married. Click out. Now, once that is, if the person is single, you select this. If the person is married, you select this. We are going to still do some stuffs here. Later, as we progress, as we proceed, we are going to still do some stuff. But I'm showing you a way based on how you can get your button. If you click on this, or if it's single, you click on this. That way, if you see, you click on this. If that, you click on this. So with that, you can either select. But for me, when I'm designing form, data entry form like this, I mostly work with data validation. So why I did this is to show us something like this. I'm going to learn certain things as regards to this single married. Okay. Now, having done that, the next thing we are going to do is okay. Having done that, the next thing we are going to do here is to copy this. Hold Control, copy this. Hold Control, copy this, and say Control C. Then we paste it here. There is a reason why we are doing this. We want to automate this particular form so that when we click enter or submit, it will submit. That's why we are doing this. Okay. Now the next thing we are going to do is to copy this as well. Hold Control, select this. Hold Control, select this. Then press Control C. Come under this and paste Control V. All right. Now, in front of this, we are going to link the value, any value here to this place. We are going to link any value here to this place, any value here to this place. So here I will say equals to, I click on this, hit enter. Now, I can drag it down up to 5. I think that's to say if I double click this, you see this. If I double click this, you see this. The same if I double click this, we see this. Okay, we get to this one and we say equals to first name and hit enter. Then I will also drag it down to marital status. That's where that one stopped. Automatically is dynamic. We continue. The next one is phone number, the contact info, and then let's drag it down as well to emergency. I think that's emergency number is this. That ends it. If you double click this, you notice is also this one. That makes it dynamic. Then that's department. I can now say equals to, let's go up and select department and hit enter. And this stops at employment status. So, man, the network is a bit, the network is not smiling. Please, can we all hear me? Can we all see? Can we all hear me? Someone is complaining of network challenge. Can we all hear me? This is, we are getting towards the automation part. Can we all hear me, please? If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, kindly drop in the chat. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, kindly drop in the chat. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, kindly drop in the chat, please. Okay. Now we are going to do the same thing. Thank you, Amina, for your response. We are going to do the same thing to drag it down to employee status. So we stop here. The next is bank name. So we are going to say equals to, move up to the bank name. We click on this, we hit enter, and then we drag this down to net pay. So if we double click here, you see that is the same. We hit enter. Then the next thing we say equals to this, that's the annual leave entitlement, hit enter, and then we drag it down. All right, we have done all this. We have done all this. The next thing we are going to do is to create our database. This is the employment form, employee form. what we want to do is a situation where any employee that enters and feeds his or her details can come under here and submit. Click the submit button and submit. The details here will be sent to the database. The details here will be sent to the database while the form remains fresh, empty for another person to enter. You know, you have filled a form where once you click submit and the form is submitted successfully, you get a fresh page for another person to fill again, or for you to fill another detail depending on the form you are filling. That's what we are doing here. That's what we want to build. Data entry form. We are using employee details as an example. You can use, say, employee database. Now I'm going to create another sheet again. This sheet, I like to call it demo, but you can call it anything you want. I like to call it demo. So here is my form. Here is, let me start from D2. Now instead of me pasting it straight, now watch here. What is the network doing? Now instead of me pasting it straight, watch here now and learn this one. There are certain things I can do here. I will come over to this place. I want to paste it from B2. That's what we are seeing here in the name box of this active cell. What I will now do is I will right click. Now instead of just paste, now you see if I get to paste it vertically. But I don't want it to paste vertically. I want it to paste horizontally across like this. Set here all the details that I want, all well aligned. So I have created my employee form. Okay, I have created my employee form, my employee database demo. Now let's get back to what we have. The next thing we are going to, how will I do it now? Okay, let me come down here. So once that, please, can we hear me? Can we hear me, please? Don't know why this network is misbehaving. Can we hear me, please? All right, beautiful. Now what I will do, like I said, I will copy this, Control C as picture, paste as linked picture. So once I do that, I will paste picture. So if I move it away, or let me bring it on top here, let me increase the picture. Let's go to the picture format. Oh my God, my God. This network is kind of frustrating me. I'm already in the automation part. I'm trying to set up my automation. I think I made mistake earlier. Messing us up. So we are going to end here. We are going to stop here today. Network is messing me up, going off and on. I don't even know when I'm on. I don't even know when I'm off. So we are going to going to stop here. By Tuesday, we will wrap up this and then continue with our week 4 course. We're almost done. Is just to make this submit button, activate it so that we now do our macros and activate the submit button. But by Tuesday we will do that. I don't want